Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to earn money in Buman. You can earn money in the Buman app, a casual auto shooter game, by earning cash and coins through various methods. Cash can be withdrawn as real money, while coins are for in-game use. How to earn cash. First, invitation and referral codes. Get bonus cash when a new player signs up using your referral code. Both you and the new player are rewarded. VIP codes and promotions. Look for special codes released on Buman's social media or in-game announcements. Cash-based tasks. Prioritize missions that specifically reward cash instead of just coins. These are rarer but often higher value. Add bonuses. In some app versions, watching ads can yield cash. Increase your agent level. Higher agent levels can lead to increased daily allowances and reduced withdrawal fees. To increase your agent level, you must gain alliance contributions by completing daily missions. How to earn coins. Invites and referrals. Similar to cash, you can earn a one-time bonus of coins for each new player you refer. Clear more levels. You receive rewards of either cash or coins by completing game levels. Watch advertisements. Instantly earn coins by watching video advertisements. And finally, complete daily missions. Earn a regular supply of coins by finishing daily missions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.